Hi scholarly friends! Today I will be teaching you how to start your 14-day free trial on Shopify. Using the link below, go to shopify.com and you will be prompted to this page. Simply type the email address that you're going to be using for your business. When you click Start Free Trial, you will be redirected to this page. Enter a password and click Create Your Store. There are still few more things you need to set up here. Just choose what best describes your business. So I'll just say that I'm just playing around. Would like to sell on Facebook or Instagram as well. Current revenue just 0. Which industry? Since I'll be selling coffee stuff, let's select food and drink. Then click Next. Let's now add an address. Just fill everything out, but you can always change this info later. I'll just blur it out and fast forward so we can enter our store. And there you have it. Welcome to your store. From here, you can see a basic outline from setting up your store, reviewing settings, and launching your store. Looks pretty easy, right? But there's actually more to it than that. Check out an awesome course in the description box below to actually get started. I'll be showing you how to set up all of these step by step. And after creating the store, I will also help you market your products so you can get sales in no time. See you there!